everyone, Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the Wi-Fi speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the Mi11X device. As you can see friends, so this is a very short and sweet video which I want to keep, and very small as well, not the long and lengthy video. So a lot of users did ask me which phone is the best in terms of the connectivity. So these are tests which I'm trying to do based on only the Wi-Fi connection. And just yesterday I did upload a video on the iQOO 7 as well, comparing the Wi-Fi speeds. If you want, you can check with the iQOO 7 smartphone. But let's see friends, and one more thing, both phones, they do support the Wi-Fi 6 standards by default. So you can find the Wi-Fi 6 support as well in the portable hotspot, as you can clearly see friends, 6th standard generation in the Mi11X device. So and the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot which is present in the Realme X7 Max device as well, as you can clearly see here. So both phones are Wi-Fi 6 compatibility support, and let's check my Wi-Fi speed, how much we can expect in both phones. So which phone will be having the better kind of Wi-Fi signals. So right now I did connect to the same Wi-Fi router, as you can see friends, which is a 2.4 GHz, but I'll get the speeds up to close to 93 Mbps and 94 Mbps. So let's say that transmit link speed is of 150 Mbps. So same kind of link speed is as well, 150 Mbps in Mi11X device as well. So both phones are really good to go right now. Let's test the speed test application. So which phone will be able to detect the highest Wi-Fi speeds? So out of 93 and 94 Mbps, which phone will be able to do that? So that is a test which I'm trying to see. So first let's start in the in the Realme X7 Max, because it's a new phone. So I just want to start with the new phone, and both phones I'll be using the same kind of server. And right now the Realme X7 Max, it's going up to 77 and upload speeds of 69. So as I said, my maximum speed can go up to 93 Mbps as well. So let me try to do the test immediately, and I want to do the test immediately as soon as possible to test. So what will be the Mi11X device? So it's going up to 93 Mbps in the Mi11X smartphone. Same Wi-Fi router I have connected. So even the Realme X7 Max can get that kind of speeds without any kind of issues. So let me try to do the test again and see what is happening. So as soon as this test stops, I'll try to start the test in the Realme X7 Max as well during this time. Let me even turn off all the Wi-Fi's in other smartphones as well. So no Wi-Fi's are turned on right now. No other devices are connected. So I'm trying to do the test again in the Realme X7 Max. As you can see friends, right now the Realme X7 Max also can reach that kind of high speeds without any problem. So definitely the Realme X7 Max has a really good connectivity, and there's no issues in the Realme X7 Max in terms of the connectivity. So I'm just talking only the connectivity comparison here, not regarding the heating and other slow charging problems. That is completely different. So final test I'll try to do at same time. So let's see friends, if you try to do the test at same time, which phone will be able to take much of the Wi-Fi. That is what it's a curious test. So let's see what will happen right now. I'm trying to do at same time. So let's see, I'm very interesting to see which phone will be grabbing at same time. As you can see, the Mi11X did grab the speed faster than the Realme X7 Max as well, as you can clearly see. I'll try to do the test one more time, so you'll be able to know which phone is grabbing the Wi-Fi speed faster. So that is a quick test which I'll try to do. So right now you can see the upload speeds are also kind of better in the Mi11X device right now. So this is a test which I'm trying to do out of curiosity only friends. This doesn't mean the Mi11X can take much high speeds Wi-Fi. Even the Realme X7 Max also has that kind of capability, but I'm just trying to see which phone can actually take faster. So same time, I did hit the same time in both phones, same time, and even second time as well, the Mi11X is taking the much of the Wi-Fi. Even second time, as you can see friends, at same time I'm trying to tap. Even you did see the tapping when I'm trying to do it in both phones. I did not even delay anything. So that is the reason I'm trying to check multiple times. So just to make sure that I'm doing at right time only in both phones, the testing. So second time the test we got 61.7 and 51.7, 36.1 and 61.4. And in the final testing, I just want to swap this both phones. So if you feel like I'm pressing slow with the left hand, so that is the reason I'm trying to swap between both phones, so you know exactly. So I'm trying to do my best to give you the better results. So let me try to start at same time right now. So it is the Realme X7 Max, as you can see friends, Realme X7 Max, and it is a Mi11X device. So let me try to tap at same time. So same time I did tap in both phones. So let's see now which phone will be able to do that faster. As you can see friends, the Mi11X did grab the Wi-Fi speed faster than the Realme X7 Max. as you can see. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. And one conclusion is that final thing, the Realme X7 Max also supports Wi-Fi 6 and MI 11X also supports Wi-Fi 6. Both has really good speeds. They are really capable of reaching my high speeds target, which is a 93 Mbps mark. That's good. But doing test at same time, the MI 11X is grabbing the much of the Wi-Fi faster. In 3 times testing, 3 times the same results are there. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description. There's a wallpaper playlist. You can download this kind of live wallpapers and punch all wallpapers. Try to click that link, and in case if you want to know more about the phone playlist, so make sure to check the link for the playlist of the phones as well. So see you in the next video friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.